Hello all, welcome to our channel. So first of all, major important is called question is called YouTube copyrights. So I'm worried about my YouTube copyrights, how it is my YouTube copyright issues. So that is called, we can go to our website, Rainbow Collection Official. So anyone looking for sarees, different sarees, anyone to contact this person, he will be helping for what are the sarees that are available. Every video they will post into their channel. Please, if you are looking for very interested, please contact this particular channel member. So this is channel member is our one of the kind of tutorial is a learner our into our channel. So they are coming with our channel to learning for YouTube training course. So there is recently facing issue is called copyright claim. So I'm uploading my video. How you can checking for copyright claims? We can go to filters in our YouTube studio. So how we can open a YouTube studio? The simple option, go to your channel. So what are the unnecessary things? I'm storing, close it. Here it is called, option is called manage video. In this manage video, they can open new tab. In this content, we have the option name is called filter. There is showing for copyright claims. In copyright claims, two things very important. Most of the things corporate will be getting the issue by using third party songs, other YouTuber songs. That is the main problem. So that is how we can rectify that issues. So that is called, we have to use option name is called, see the first of all details. The video will be most of the thing is called song issue. So the song will be maybe replace the song or mute the song. Sir, can I use what are the songs will be useful for the without corporate purpose? That is called, first go to your customer channel setting. There is option name is called, we have to go to option name is called audio library. They can providing for YouTube free music will be here. Before music providing, track title, generic, mode, and artist name. Compulsory you mention on your particular YouTube description. Is a compulsory mandatory field. Which video we have to acceptable? Click the play and download the video. This is a before making, you have to use it. Or else we can go to the replace song for the mute will be here. So away of the track, which is useful here. Add this, click for save and finish it. There is a fraction of second. The saree name is called Kashmiri Panchmina Silk Waving Saree with Meena and Beauties. So this is a saree will be useful. The users will be different. They will be copyright will be fixed within a fraction of seconds. They will be fix the issues will be done by maximum less than 2 minutes of time. The YouTube shorts now will be checking will be done. It is done. The will be here. Now right now we have total 8 corporate claims are here. So that will be easily replace the song. The corporate claim will be gone within the 2 minutes of time. The video will be length. The video will be length. It takes some time. But here one more question is the people asking for number of times. Sir, I'm unable to replace the song. So that video, what we can do this? That is called, we have to go to the see details. Which claim will be not change the video will be here. The video simple. We have to download it. That video. Change music by using number of softwares. Canva. So many things are there that we can use it by upload the with the new music and upload on your particular YouTube channel. Just you can download this video and change this music will be tracked by using Canva option. Canva will be compulsory important. Go to Canva, video option. The video will size will be 1080 by 1920. We can go to here, upload, click for this where you can download the video. The video name should be understand easily. Done. Click it. Set as a video background. Everything is clear. After this one, what are the song music is there? Complete. Mute it and upload your own track will be here. Ad will be in this own track and click it for download the this one. This file will upload by the your particular YouTube channel option. Simple. What are our old track? Compulsory keep it and mute. After that, add your new track. Suppose you forget your old track, unmute. What will happen? We can two track will be playing in the background. So that will be major issue. So old track will be in a Canva, go to select it. Old track will compulsory keep it and the mute compulsory mandatory. New track will be add will be in the below video. See here. After this, we can download this feature and here. This will upload on your YouTube channel. What are the copyright this video? We have to click it. The option name is called here more action. Delete forever. Why? Because we don't encourage the copyright claims. So compulsory once again upload this video with the new version. Definitely people will be affected. This will be more user will be attractive also. So please don't use the third party music and don't claim your channel will be here. So that is a very affected by your particular channel. The copyright will be two affected will be there. One is called file dispute. Simply say, if anybody go to the C details channel, the content claim on YouTube video does not not affected public. Everyone can see this video. Or else, if you are the file dispute, that's called file dispute. What will happen? Views on your channel, earning will be who is the music channel, they get the earnings. So that is called compulsory follow instructions and change your music. Which video will be comfortable will be here. So how many videos are will be here? Click it and replace the song and trim the songs. So this complete second will be here. Go to replace. Which music will be more attractive? Here I'm searching away. The track will be very good. Click for save and here. Previous climb will be 8 videos are there. Now they will be show only for 7. So this is the way we have to check, remove the claims on your particular channel. So this is the very, very important how to check the your claims and rectify your YouTube video claims are more important. Which video is not change the song or voice? Please change video once again re-upload into your YouTube channel. Don't be encourage your corporate videos on your particular channel. This is a compulsory important. Anybody you are facing issues on corporates in Telugu or English, any tutorial you want, please comment me. I definitely will be support through my channel. So majorly YouTubers more concern the content, how much is the effort. Same like that, you can effort by the voice or music without copyright. Compulsory I will be concentrate. So any further question, please contact my channel. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.